Hey Glam Squad, this is Dalou. I hope you are doing great. I hope your holiday season is going good so far. Today I'm going to take you to my guest bathroom for a refresh. I'm not going to do any Christmas decor because since Christmas is only a few days away, I'm going to clean it because this bathroom needs a really good cleaning. My kids have been using it because the bathroom has a problem, so I really need to clean it, get it refreshed for the holidays. I've been in the market to get some better cleaning product for my house. I got this spinning mop from Amazon that came with several pieces, so I'm gonna open it up, see if there's any pieces in that I can use to clean the bathroom. If this is your first time here, welcome to the Glam Squad family. My name is Dalou. I share glam home decor videos, a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of DIY. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so YouTube can let you know once I upload all of my videos. It's a steam mop, you guys, not a spinning mop. It came with several pieces and head. Let's go upstairs to see which one I'm gonna be using. So far, I really like this steam mop by Seymour. It cleans really well. I love the steaming features that sanitize and clean all of these places.
Carried all the weight on my shoulder, had me going ever once I told you no, kept going like a marching.
That night I also cleaned my master bathroom. I just want to quickly show you some of the heads that I was using to clean my master bathroom. These are some other parts. This is the converter to go from the main pieces to the smaller pieces. This one would be good for a stove top. This is another brush for a smaller area. This is a corner and go brush. This is another one. It came with two different sizes. One would be large enough for mirror and glass. You can also use it on a carpet, and this is what you would put at the bottom when using it on a carpet. I'm gonna leave the link for it in the description box. I think it's a really good product. I can clean a lot of places with it, including cabinets, my dining room chairs that you guys always see me cleaning by hands, stovetop, wall. I am super excited. I cannot wait to start using it throughout my house. Once again, check out the link in the description box. You can get it from Amazon. Thank you to Send More for sending me the steam mop. Alright, let's start decorating. Starting with the shower, I'm gonna replace the old shower curtain with this one. I'm not gonna change the curtains, just a shower curtain. I am putting these black towels from Amazon for guests to remove the makeup so they don't put makeup on my white towels. I'm changing the table that's holding the tray. I may have to steam them because they look wrinkled. We'll see. I'm gonna leave them for the night. Tomorrow when I wake up till wrinkle, I'm going to steam them. After I was done decorating the bathroom, I noticed this wall doesn't really go, so I'm going to change it. I just grabbed the one in my hallway and put it in there. I got it from Amazon. This is the final look. Let me know what you think. Guys, please in the comment below, let me know what you think about my guest bathroom refresh. It was a pleasure to be here with you today. I am looking forward to seeing you all on my next video. Before you leave, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to you all. I love you always. Bye bye.